And in this world geography series, now we are going to study about the North America. Okay, so North America, it is the third largest continent by area, following Asia and Africa, and it is the fourth largest in the terms of population, with the density of 24 million per square kilometer. Okay, so Asia is the first largest, and Africa is the second, and North America is the third largest. Okay, so let's see what is the position of North America on the globe. So this is the North American continent on the globe. Okay, now let's see. So see, this is the North American continent, and if you can see, this is the line. This line is called the area, this is called as the Bering Strait. So this Bering Strait is a small sea water channel, and it is dividing Asia from North America. So this Bering Strait, it divides Asia from North America. Remember this. Now if you come south, this is Alaska. Alaska is a part of United States of America. Then here you have Canada, and the capital of Canada is Ottawa. This is United States of America, the USA. And the capital of USA is Washington DC. And in south, this is Mexico. And the capital of Mexico is Mexico City. Okay. And then these are the Central American countries. Okay. Central American countries. And in the Central American countries, you have Cuba, Jamaica, and Haiti, then Dominican Republic, and here you have Honduras, then Nicaragua, then Panama, then Costa Rica. This is Guatemala, this is El Salvador. You can try to find these Central American countries in your atlas and try to note down there, like try to see the position, the location of the Central American countries. Okay. Then if you see which are the major water bodies around the Central American continent, so you will find on the west, this is Pacific Ocean, and on the east you will find this is Atlantic Ocean. Okay, and on the north side you will find this is the Arctic Ocean. So these are the three important oceans around the North American continent. And then when we speak about the small water bodies, here you will find this is the Hudson Bay, and on the other side you will find this is the Labrador Sea, and this is the Davis Strait. Okay, then if you go further, this is Beaufort Sea, and then this is Gulf of Alaska, and this is Bering Sea. Okay. And if you further come south, here this area you will find, and this is called as Gulf of California. Okay, this is Gulf of California, and this is Gulf of Mexico. Okay, so these are the important water bodies around the Central American continent. Now if you talk about the internal water bodies of the American continent, you will find the 5 major lakes in North American continent. So first important major lake in North American continent, the location is here, you can see. So these are the 5 important continents in the Central America. The 5 important lakes, not continents, sorry. So the 5 important lakes are, the first one is Superior. Okay, and then the next is Erie. Okay, and then you will find Ontario. Then you will find Huron, and then you will find Michigan, So these are the 5 important lakes in Central America: Superior, Erie, Ontario, Huron and Michigan. Here, okay, Superior, and then here is Michigan, and then here is Huron, this is Erie, and this is Ontario. Okay, so these are the 5 important lakes of the Central America. Now the Lake Superior, it is the largest freshwater lake in the world. Largest freshwater lake in the world. So remember this, okay. Then if you find the rivers in the North America, you will find the Missouri River and the Mississippi River. Okay, so this is Missouri River, and here in the south you will find this is Mississippi River. One important river in USA is Colorado River. Colorado River, and Colorado River is very famous for its Grand Canyon. The structure which it is making while it is flowing, this is called as Grand Canyon. I will show you the image what is Grand Canyon. Okay, so this is the important structures of the the Northern American continent. Okay, now on the western side, here you will find these are the Rocky Mountains. Okay, these are the Rocky Mountains, and here only you will find this Colorado River. Okay, so this is the Colorado River which is making the Grand Canyon. Here you will find these are the grasslands, and these grasslands are called as prairies. So these are the grasslands in Northern America, which are very famous nowadays for their maize production, that is their corn production. Okay, so here somewhere you will find the Panama Canal. Okay, so this is the Greenland. Now Greenland is a part of Denmark. Remember this. Okay, so that's all about the North American continent. So this is the Grand Canyon which I was talking about, which is on the Colorado River. Okay, so you can see the Colorado River flowing and the structure which it has made by the erosion. Okay, so this is the Grand Canyon River, the Grand Canyon on the Colorado River, and the prairies, these are the grasslands which I was talking about. These are the Northern American continent, the prairies in the Northern American continent. And this is the Statue of Liberty, the famous Statue of Liberty, which is in the United States of America in New York. Okay, so in our next lesson we will study about the South American continent.